Welcome. In front of me is a Vernee Apollo Lite, and today I'll show you how to set up a portable hotspot. So to get started, you can pull down the notification panel, extend it, and from here you want to go into the settings, which is this gear icon right here. Tap on it, then tap on more, where you'll find tethering and portable hotspot. Choose that, and from here you have the two options. You have the Wi-Fi hotspot, actually three, USB tethering, but you would actually have to plug it into the computer, and then Bluetooth. Now USB is alright, the Bluetooth is, well, I would say pointless. It's probably going to be super slow, and the Wi-Fi is fairly good. So we're going to go into the Wi-Fi, enable this, and from here it will be, well, enabled, however it's set by default, so it will have a password randomly generated. So see setup Wi-Fi hotspot, and you can see it right here. You can tap on show password so you can see the password. Now we can also disable it and choose your own password, so you can remove this one and, for instance, set something that, for instance, you might remember, like so. You can see now that it's changed. You also have the ability to change it from 2.4 gigahertz band to 5 gigahertz. Now, not every device not every device supports 5 gigahertz. So if, for instance, you choose the 5 one and you don't see your network, you might want to change it to 2.4 because, well, like I said, not every device may support it. The older device most certainly do not. Now, if you have anything relatively new, then 5 gigahertz should be just fine. And then you also have the network name, which you can change right here, so you can easily distinguish which network is yours, which I guess the name of the device is already fairly easy to distinguish. And then you also have the maximum user count that it can connect to it, so you can choose how many people can connect to it at a single time. And keep in mind that all of them will need the password anyway, so whatever is set here, they will still need to have the password. It's not like you choose 3 people and 3 random people can connect. They can only connect if they know the password. So once you have all that set, all you need to do is just tap on save and enable it here, and your hotspot is now going on. And you can also pull it down and you can see how many people are connected, how many people you can block from there. And you can also access the toggle right here in the notification panel. There's this toggle right here, and once you set it up for the first time, later on you don't need to really think about it anymore. It will keep using the name and the password that you have set. So that's about it. And like I said, you can just easily toggle it off and on in here. So that is how you would set up the personal hotspot. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.